designing 2 websites and helping with pulling on stuff. Hell
Yeah, that's a lot of stuff to do, you know? That's busy stuff.
I just have a daughter that asked what dad doing. Exactly. Get on. That and there was a female streamer who did torture IP. Perma peeps.
In No Pixel? Was she like the chick who hung out with the demonized guys? We just called him Chachi all the time. He hated it. It's the same people, huh? Oh, her. I remember her. Might have been her. I don't remember.
Cool ass bucket hat.
Constantly target my friends after getting tortured, seeing that they haven't perma. Okay.
That was like a main rule that you couldn't make people perma, wasn't it?
Yeah, well, it's a rule in every server you can't force perma people. And like after a while in RP, sometimes you just find a character that you really love playing. And the real answer to that stupid application question, if you would ever perma a character, is no. Maybe I don't want to ever perma this character because
You just have fun.
the whole joy behind RP revolves around this character these days. You know what I mean? I'll perma another character. But here's another thing with that. It's like sometimes you have characters based on like what purpose you need them for whatever. And it's like you don't really want to cut off your only avenue for that either. So it really depends. I think it depends on the person, what kind of player you are. I think RP for content creators is super viewer driven.
As in, like the viewers decide what the content creator actually does with their characters.
Is that what you mean? Because like for me, the answer is always no. Anytime someone comes in chat and they're like, "Do this," I'm like, no. Unless it's something funny, like it's someone I know, and they're like, "Call Bags an asshole." I'll just be like, "Bags, you're an asshole." Like, you know.
Play / influence. Oh, okay, yeah.
DCs? Oh. Oh, yeah.
I remember one of the first servers I was in. I had my first character, Benji. He was the one that was in MC,
Mm-hmm.
and they had this weird ass like, if you wanted to join the MC, you had to like agree to,
Perma if you left.
not if you left. It was like if the entire if there's a majority rule, you have to perma your character.
I don't know if I would trust people with that. Banning the
Yeah,
ghost
with the
feature. Yeah.
it was like a blood eagle or something like that. I think it was what they called it.
Okay.
It was fine because it was like at first it was like they would talk about it OC
Right.
if
And you
they
could
were
be like, I'm really not comfortable with
right.
it.
But then like the leader of the MC changed leaders or something like that. And they started trying to do that with people outside of the MC.
Oh.
And it was like, no, that's not a lot. Like,
Ain't gonna work that way. You heard it from the grapevine. That happened in Karthik server. I mean, listen, if everybody agrees to it out of character,
yeah,
then it's not a forced perma. Necessarily. Like, I don't view that as a forced perma if it was all agreed to.
well, that's the thing is like we all agreed to it outside of like OOC.
Yeah.
And then at one point there was this guy that like he like we all agreed on it. Even he agreed on it, and then it came time to do it in server, and he just like started reporting us and like freaking the fuck out OOC.
Well, some people are stupid. You get cold feet. Get cold feet. Just tell everybody.
Yeah, just tell us. Don't don't go to staff saying that we're power gaming or whatever the fuck it's called.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then there was also this guy that would DM people like, "Hey, could you make like a throwaway character so my serial killer could
Why don't
kill
you
him?"
just be a good enough serial killer and provide people with good enough RP that they feel like rewarding you with a perma?
Right.
How about that? You're wondering how I knew. Dude, Owl, remember that time we were all sitting around in the Discord making memes together about the server? God, we were having so much fun doing that. My favorite one, I think, is the one you made, where it was like the meme where the guy's like turning into the exit, and then you could write like the different things on the exit. I might even still have it saved, and I have a Miss Martinez, your card's been punched. I have that one still as well.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Miss Martinez, your card's been. Oh man, classic, classic.
Oh no.
I think I made one of the MC members sitting on a couch, being surrounded by dudes. Yeah, I don't remember that one, but that sounds hilarious.
It's funny.
Miss Martinez, your card's been punched. Like even into those days, there was still RP actually happening. Like what's happening now? Like what occurred?
Nobody wants to RP anymore.
They were sitting in the middle. Oh yeah, those like school photo group pictures of MCs always crack me up. Are you impatient for your bucket hat?
Why?
Because you're shaking your leg.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What? Oh, it's okay. I was wondering if I was taking too long.
No, you're fine.
They're always so wild, right? It's so weird. Imagine the Hell's Angels
Right?
doing that.
My favorite thing is when people like kill people and then post it on Twitter.
My favorite is when somebody calls a gang stupid on Twitter and then they all get they get like hunted down by said gang and murdered. It's like, what are you, the fragile gang?
But that's like most gangs nowadays.
Oh, you hurt your little baby feelings.
Fucking Birdie getting shot outside of Pearls.
Apparently, she was kind of asking for it.
Oh, was she?
That's what Joey said. But like, she had been fucked with in the past for just her snarky little comments.
I mean, how about we step outside and I'll show you respect? Do you remember that guy? Like, what the
And I was like, you'd hit a woman? Who's CG?
Chain gang.
Oh. They mocked a gang leader on the phone and they got attacked in force.
Jesus
Like,
Christ.
it's a direct representation of your fragility. There's nothing more embarrassing for you as a gang than to go attack somebody
Because
over
they said
something on Twitter.
your hat was stupid.
Or people who don't understand what snitching is. Like, there's a dude on New Day who plays like a... He's like a monk, Brother Jeremy. And, like, he's just a guy who's at the church. No one says snitching anymore. You're like, oh, I'm sorry, I'm a fucking millennial. Shut up.
Fucking boomer.
Anyways, this guy, Brother Jeremy, he's just a guy. He works at the church. He plans funerals for people. If you need help, he'll help you. He's like just straight up a civilian man of God. That's what he plays, right? And like